Have you passed by this beautiful refrigerated merchandiser in daily life? You may wonder, how are these made? Today, I walk you through the comprehensive process to produce a high-quality commercial refrigerator. The first process in the production is sheet metal. Computer-generated CNC punching machine is used for precise cutting. Bent metal sheet according to the model design. Now enters the pre-assembly line. Pre-assemble the body structure, including the liner, frame, reinforcement sheet, and internal wiring. The pre-assembled body will be put into a mold accordingly and be injected with foaming agent. The mold will be continued to roll on the constant temperature until firm. Next to the assembly line, the condenser, evaporator, and internal fan are installed firstly. After attaching the front cover fixing plate, install the door, hinge, and lamp cable. For the core part of the cooling, connect the return pipe, exhaust pipe, and compressor pipeline. After winding the capillary, install the filter dryer and dosing tube, then correct the direction. All of the pipelines are wired carefully. In order to prevent leakage, nitrogen-filled leak detection and welded joints leakage detection are applied. Corresponding to different refrigerants, evacuate the compressor on the machine line. Plug in the refrigerants and seal. Connect the thermostat circuit and connect the ground wire. Fix the power cords and connect with the switch wire. Bundling the lines for further protection. High voltage detection for leakage, insulation, voltage resistance, and completed grounding. Again, detect the gas overflow and liquid leakage with professional detector. After the assembling is done, each machine will be plugged in tested for regular operation and cooling capabilities. For each batch production, random sampling is carried out for comprehensive laboratory test result. The test ambient temperature is set according to the demand for different terminal countries. In each single test, multiple temperature probes are placed at the different locations on the top, middle, and bottom of the refrigerator to ensure the data is fully representative. The test result of each unit is being displayed on the computer simultaneously. If there is any faulty, the unit won't be passed for QC. Next, enter the stage of external parts installation, including buckles, shelves, and user manual. After cleaning, the shelves are fixed with tape to prevent collision with the door during transportation. For packaging, each refrigerator is equipped with multiple layers of cartons, plastic packaging, and foam protection. After applying packing tape, the packaging is fully completed and the refrigerator is now ready to ship.